Hello everyone, hope you all are well. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Langat Singh College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about isoquinoline, its structure, synthesis and application. So welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Hope this video will be helpful to you. So let us start with isoquinoline. You see, this is the structure of isoquinoline. I already discussed in previous video about quinoline. If this nitrogen is present on these positions, then it becomes quinoline. And before that, we know the naphthalene. This is the naphthalene. Naphthalene is not a heterocyclic compound. But if you introduce nitrogen, here, it becomes quinoline. If it is here, means position 2, it becomes isoquinoline. So isoquinoline is also aromatic in nature, follow the Haeckel's rule, alternate double bonds, pi electron delocalizations, 10 pi electron systems, or planar in nature. So all characteristic properties for the aromaticity is present in this molecule. So most of the time students in confusions, where is the one position? Nitrogen 1 is one position or carbon is one position. So please remember, this is the one position. Even though this is the isomers of quinoline and the positions of nitrogen from here to here shifted, but you will start numbering on this position, means on carbon. In isoquinoline, this position is position 1 and this position in position 2. But in quinoline, this position is 1 and this position 2, as it is. So hope this is beneficial for you. Now you see, this is pyridine, this is quinoline. You see, this position is here and this is isoquinoline. Again numbering here, you see 1 2 3, start from here, and this is 1 2 3, start from here. This is isoquinoline. Now you see, what is the difference between quinoline and isoquinoline? That is a challenge. So if you read this name, quinoline and isoquinoline, iso word is different, benzo is also the same, but you see B pyridine and C pyridine, here the attachment of bond is different. Here this is A bond, this is B bond. So benzene attached with pyridine through the B bond, but in isoquinoline, benzene attached with pyridine with the C bonds. So this is the difference, and both are isomers. You see, protonation on nitrogen, also there is a difference, 4.9 pK. This is greater than quinoline, 5.5 pK, and means it is greater than pyridine also, but less than quinoline. Now electrophilic aromatic substitutions, because we know this is the aromatic compounds, so it must give the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. So the major product, major isomers, you will get this one. So benzene more electron rich than pyridine. This is pyridine ring and this is isoquinoline ring, quinoline. So you will get all the time attachment electrophile on this ring in comparison to this ring. Now this is the reaction mechanisms. Halogenation in pyridine ring. You see protonation occurs on these nitrogens and nucleophile attack on this center, it becomes HBr, and then shifting of the bonds, and this double bond is approaching to this Br, and this addition products obtained minus H plus, then this product will form minus HBr, then you see isoquinoline, and the same as on quinoline. So reactions with nucleophiles. So you see the nucleophile approaching on this center, this is two positions, this is nucleophilic. And if you have the isoquinoline, the nucleophile approach this position as well as this position. So if this position, then this product. So there is a possibility of this also. So when nucleophile attack on the center, what will happen? This double bond shifted on nitrogens. So this type of structure will form. Again, this nucleophile means negative charge making double bonds, and meanwhile the breaking of carbon X bond, you will get such type of products. We know that, very well know that in pyridine nucleophilic, you know the one reaction Chichi-Babin reactions. So what is the approach? This one means fluorine greater than Cl greater than Br. This is the order. Now, synthesis of quinoline, how you design the strategies for the synthesis of quinoline. So you see the aniline, and here is also aniline. I just change these substrates. So what will happen? So come to these points. Here is the 1, 2, 3. Here is the 1, 2, 3. Means equal. Here 1, 2, 3 carbon will approach 1, 2, 3 carbon, and 1, 2, 3 center nitrogen carbon is coming from aniline. And after removing water molecules and many step reaction, you will get this quinoline. What will happen in these substrates? You see 1, 2, 3 carbon is coming from these molecules, and 1, 2, 3 center is coming from aniline and making this. Again, such type of strategy you can also apply here. 1, 2, 3, 4 center coming from one molecules and 2 center coming from another. This is supplier of 2 center, this is supplier of 4 center. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. You see 1, 2, this methyl is coming here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is synthesis of isoquinoline. You see, this is simple benzaldehyde. It is lone pair approaching on this center, and meanwhile this double bond attacking here, and many step, many removals, you will get this isoquinoline. What happened here? First concentrate on the strategy. You see 1, 2, 3 carbons and 1, 2, 3 carbon. So here 1, 2, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbon. Here 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3. So this is cyclization occurs on making such type of bonds. So blue bond formed by FC type reactions. FC type is Federal-Kraft reaction. So this is the examples. If you have this amine, if you have such type of aldehyde or acetyl chlorides, you will get after oxidation isoquinoline. And this is the strategy also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 center is coming from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 center is coming. Only this carbon is coming from aldehyde or acid. This is very good reactions for the synthesis of isoquinoline. Just remember it and practice it, because it will come in examination most of the time. So you see the 2-phenyl ethylamine react with RCOCl and forming this type of product. We are saying NaCl 2-phenyl ethylamine. and react with phosphoryl chloride, it forming such type of cyclization, and on oxidation it become oxidized, and this is reduced, and oxidized is the substituted isoquinoline. And this is also very important reactions, you know, the mechanisms already you have seen this here. Bichler-Neprilusky reactions. What is the mechanism? You see POCl3 how it is attacking on this oxygen's lone pair. This is coming here, forming this intermediate. It is resonance stabilized after cyclization with these double bonds and approaching Cl, these hydrogens, this carbon hydrogen will break and forming these double bonds, and further breaking of carbon oxygen double bonds and making this type of cyclized product. On dehydrogenation you will get, in the presence of platinum carbon, you will get this type of product. So that is important. Just pause my video and write it down, this mechanism. So a lot of reactions with the isoquinoline. Sum of reaction is here. You see this is your isoquinoline. If you have the Rx 20 degrees Celsius, you will get the substitutions at nitrogen center, means salt formation. If you have sulfonation, you see this 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth positions. So fifth position SO3 sulfonation occurs, nitration also occurs at fifth positions, and this is the 6, 7, 8 positions also it is, two products will obtain, and from bromination you will get also fifth position brominated isoquinol. So this is also very important reactions for the isoquinoline, because it undergo ozonolysis. You know the ozonolysis reactions. It will give phthalic acid and synchromeronic acid. So this product indicate how this pyridine ring attach with the in isoquinoline. You see this 1, 2, third bond. This is the C, what we discussed in previous slide, and this is the phthalic acid, because when oxidation occurs, this part will break, this bond will break, and you will get phthalic acid. And this is very important reaction. So hope guys this video will be helpful to you. If you like my video, then subscribe it, and thank for watching.